Hello everyone, welcome back to BU Wellness Stop. So today we are talking about serums. As promised, I'm back with the video. So I'm sure you must have browsed or would have asked other friends about serums. Like, really, do you really think it's important to use now that I'm using a high quality moisturizer or a very good cream that has always kept my skin moist or healthy looking and radiant and spotless? So I am sure you must have found the answer, and the answer to your question is yes. In spite of using moisturizers and cream, serums are a very important part of your skincare routine. And today I'll tell you a little bit more about how they're different from a moisturizer or a cream and why you should be using serum. So today I'm talking about Artistry Signature Select Personalized Serum, and it comes with 5 different types of highly concentrated amplifiers that you can personalize your serum as per your skin needs. So there are 25 personalized solutions created just for you by using Artistry Signature Select Personalized Serum to address your multiple and specific skin concerns. So how are serums different from moisturizers? We'll talk about it, and I'll give you a detailed information, whatever I know about using serum and why you should be using specifically Artistry Signature Select Serum that comes with 5 different amplifiers and you can personalize and make your own serum using these amplifiers for the type of skin needs or to address your particular skin concerns. So why are serums extremely important? They are important for your skin even if you're using some kinds of cream or lotion. And a serum, because a serum absorbs deep into your skin layers. And now let's talk about why is a serum different than a cream. A cream has more than 2.5 times moisture ingredients to nourish and enhance the top layer skin. And what serum does is, like, it has 2.5 times powerful ingredients than a cream. Okay, I'm sorry about the background noise. Apollo always disturbs me when I do a video, so excuse me for that. That's my puppy. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that both are equally important for us to give a good skincare, or both are equally important for your skin needs. Okay, and because each provide different benefits to different kinds of skin, so both should be used. And there is a skin routine that you should follow. Like I told you last time, that to clean your skin in the morning and night, first you should okay, I'm sorry guys, that's my puppy. He's been acting funny, and then he's disturbing me as always when I do a video. Okay, so the skincare routine should be cleansing your skin with a good cleanser, and then pat dry your skin and use a toner, and then finish it off with a moisturizer. So that should be a morning and a night routine, and that's all the 3 process that you should be doing to take care of your skin. And why, I'll do a video or a different session to tell you why we should follow this 3 important process to cleanse your skin and keep it moist or moisturize it well during the day and at night. Okay, so the steps to use your serum should start with a good cleanser. Cleanse it, then use a toner, and then treat it with the serum, and finish it with a good moisturizer. So that should be the process when you're using a serum. And how often you should be using and what time of the day you should be using, I'll tell you at the end of this video. So keep watching, and let me quickly introduce you to the 3 amplifiers that I'm going to mix and make my personalized serum from Artistry Signature Select. So I'm going to, this is the base serum, and I'm going to add 3 amplifiers. But before that, I'll tell you a little bit about each of these amplifiers. So I'm using anti-wrinkle, brightening, and firming. And I'm going to mix all these amplifiers into the base serum. Okay, so here I'm going ahead and, oh Apollo, come on please. Okay, I'm opening these amplifiers, and I'll show you how they look and how to mix with the base serum. So I have all the 3 amplifiers with me, and I have the base serum, and I'm going to use this. You mix all these 3, and while I am doing this, let me show you how the amplifiers are. They're so cool. They're so cool looking. Already added B is the brightening amplifier into my base serum, and this is like just a click. With a click, the booster gets released to the base serum, and it's such a one of a kind beautiful experience of creating your own personalized serum. Is like, it's just mind-blowing. You'll just love it when you get this kit and create a personalized serum for yourself. So I'm going to release the brightening amplifier. I'm just going to remove it. So this is how it is. It is attached to the amplifier, and so let me go ahead and release the anti-wrinkle amplifier into my base serum, and I'm excited to create this one-of-a-kind serum that's perfect for my skin, or whatever my skin needs. So here is the technique, like how to twist it, and then how you can go ahead and release the serum into the base. Release the booster into the base serum. So this is how the technique is, and it's like amazing. So this is how the amplifier looks. You just have to take your base serum bottle, wait for it, just remove this cap and attach to it and twist. Okay, so once you secure it, twist, and the booster gets released to the base serum. I'll show you once again. So this is how it is, and I was able to hear the sound that the booster was just released to my base serum. And okay, so here it is. Can you see this? Yeah, so that's how it is. Let me put this back again and twist, and I have 2 important amplifiers already got mixed up with my base. Just can't wait to use this. I was waiting to try this for a very long time. Now it's time to add my last amplifier to the base serum, and that is the firming. Let me quickly go ahead and do that. So here it is, and this is my base serum. I secured it, and then I'll twist it to release the booster. This is so much fun. Okay, I feel it now. Oh, okay, so you'll feel the pressure, and you'll like little bit that, and you'll get to know when the booster gets released to the base serum here. down here. So I'm so excited to use this product, use the serum, and make it part of my daily skincare routine. With oops, okay, did I just drop it on my, okay, yeah, so it's all done. As you can see, it's been released, and now I'm gonna close the cap and use it as and when I need it. My serum is ready, and so is my skin. Is really excited to see what it's gonna do, because this is a very amazing product. There are so many people who love these serums, so I'll find out more about serum and why, how it's beneficial and makes an important part of your skin routine. But before that, I want to talk a little bit about Artistry Signature Select Serum, because no one understands skin better than Artistry. Using the purest botanicals from the Nutrilite farm, Artistry brings all these magical ingredients to its product and the best part of Artistry product is like it customizes different kinds of products for different types of skins. So you can pick that's meant for your skin or your skincare needs, and enjoy having a healthy, glowing looking skin without losing its radiance and elasticity. Because now I'm 40 and I can see like it's so easy to slip into those lazy habits of not taking care of your skin, especially hands. Now that we have been using disinfecting wipes, or disinfecting our house, washing our hands so many times with soap, no matter what soap you're using, it leaves your hand dry and feeling stretchy, and you lose this glow, you lose the moisturizer. So and now turning 40, it's like I feel lazy, I feel tired, and then I just I try to forget that okay, I need to take care of my skin too. But all thanks to Artistry that I was able to introduce myself to all these amazing products that's directly from Nutrilite farm, Artistry, Amway's own Nutrilite farm, and that brings products to us that's enriched, or that's so pure, and it brings the best botanicals, like the purest botanical ingredients. So what you can do is, like, by using these 5 highly concentrated amplifiers, that is brightening is B. So you'll have to buy it comes with the base serum and then different amplifiers, so you can customize your serum by using different amplifiers. So B is for brightening, anti-spot is for A, anti-spot is S, so you'll see a letter S, and then hydrating is H, and firming is F. So I got firming too, let me show you. Okay, so this was firming, this F, and there is anti-wrinkle, that's W. Okay, and you can create 25 personalized serum solutions just for yourself by using Artistry Signature Select Personalized Serum and 5 different amplifiers. So I hope you get to try these this product and create your own serum solution for your skincare needs, or that your skin needs, and mix your amplifiers into the base serum, and so you get power of 3 serums in one, and I'm sure you'll enjoy and you'll love these. Let me know what your thoughts are, and if you would be interested in purchasing the serum from my shop, that's at BU Wellness. And please DM me, email me, or reach out to me if you're locally available. Please feel free to WhatsApp me, and I'll be so happy to navigate you through the process of purchasing this amazing product. And I'm going to start using this from tomorrow, and I'll tell you how my skin would improve, or like what are the differences I've seen after using the serum. So I'll see you soon in my next video with a different new product, and keep watching and stay right here at BU Wellness Top, guys. Bye, it's me, Ipsita. See you soon in my next video. Bye. So I have my own personalized serum with me, and about your questions how often you can use, so I'm going to use it twice a day because I can use it as a base, makeup base before I use my foundation, because I'm going to cleanse and use a toner and then use the serum and then finish it off with the moisturizer and then a makeup over it if I'm going out in the morning and during the day, and as well as at the night. So I'm going to use twice a day. And your routine or the steps you should follow while using the serum is like, first, cleanse your skin. Definitely use a good cleanser and a toner, please. Next step should be a toner, and then finish it off with a nice moisturizer. But if you're using the serum, Artistry Signature Select Serum, then this should go in the third step, and then finish it off with a good moisturizer. So so the best thing about using these amplifiers, or like 3 amplifiers, the benefit of 3 amplifiers in one is that it knocks down the using of, or the process of using too many serums for your skincare. So you can add maximum 3 amplifiers into one base serum, but you can, if you want don't want to go for 3, you can use just 1 amplifier, mix it with the base serum, or just 2 or 3, but max should be 3 amplifiers, and you can create 25 personalized solutions. So I hope that answers your question. I'm extremely sorry for the background noise. Apollo has been disturbing me so much through this entire video. So my puppy is going crazy. He doesn't want me to sit here and be with him. So I hope guys, this video was helpful, and you got to know more about Artistry Signature Select Serum, and how to use it, how often to use it, and why you should be using it, even though you're using a moisturizer and a lotion. And I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Bye, and stay with me at BU Wellness Stop, and shop my favorite products from my store, and with shop Artistry Stop, shop Nutrilite, and I hope we help each other to make life better, beautiful, healthy, and a lot more lot more beautiful and shine and positive. Bye, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.